How to delete all shared posts on Facebook in one click. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to delete all of your posts at once on Facebook. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you're logged into your account. And then from here, what you're going to do is tap on the menu icon at the top right and then tap on settings. Now once you land on your settings page, you're going to navigate your way and scroll down until you see your activity, and you're going to tap on your activity log. Here you'll find all of your recent activities on your Facebook. So you are going to find posts here. So now you can tap on the drop down on your Facebook activity, and here you have an option to manage your posts. So just tap on this and it will show you a list of all of your posts. So if you want to delete a specific kind of post or delete something or everything at once, then you are going to go ahead and click on filters, click on categories, and then from here you can choose what kind of post you want to see. And once you select your category, all you have to do is go ahead and select one. And as you can see, if you want to delete something, you can just tap on the right side and then tap on delete. So it will be deleted from your profile. And if you want to select everything, you will find the select all button here at the top. Just tap on that and then you should be able to delete everything at once. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.